Hey Richie, I hope all is well. Going to go ahead and start this video, run through our website, how we have it laid out, and make sure we hit everything we need to hit so we get this all right done. So, starting on our home page, everything looks good. I love the overall layout of how we got the site. There's just some things I want to update within each one of the pages. We're going to walk through that whole thing. Homepage looks good. Going off the front, I want to switch Grove Properties and Oxford Universal. These logos have it so that Oxford lines up on the left, Grove Properties here on the right. I also want Grove Properties, once we get that logo on the right side, I want to have it so that if you click on the logo, it has a link that sends you to groveproperties.com, which is our sister website. Besides that, I'm going to send you pictures to update again for this slideshow, have it all updated. The only thing I'm going to want taken out from the slideshow is I like the text on this first initial page, but the text's kind of following, discover the difference. I can't remember what the next one says. All of those texts, though, I want eliminated. We're just going to have our featured properties, and then it's going to be a slideshow of featured properties. The other thing with the homepage, I'm going to have the design and build and the GB initiatives tab. I'm going to retitle those. Design and build is going to be projects now. GB initiatives going green, just to make it a little more direct, make it easier on everybody. If you scroll down, you're going to notice our Discover the Difference, featured properties. We got just a lot more content here on our homepage. I want to go ahead and eliminate all of this. Essentially, what I just want is the slideshow in our top tab right here. I want to make this website as simple as possible. And then a contact tab, just like the one we have down here, following if you do decide to scroll along the homepage. Now, if we, that's all for the homepage. If we enter in our About section, I got a new picture. I want to eliminate this blue rectangle. I got a new picture. We're going to replace over the top of that with a quote under that. I've this text, and the introduction text. I've all collected it into one paragraph and a half, 2-paragraph text. I'm going to send you that. That's going to be our "We Are Oxford Universal" text for this page. You can go ahead and eliminate the executive team here. The reason we're going to eliminate it is because they will be on our team section once we go to that tab. And it's pretty much, I'm going to send you updated versions of these texts, but it's going to be these same three guys, Otoni, Marcelo, and Eduardo. We're going to eliminate Marcelo's picture from the Our Team tab. That's that tab. I'll send you the information for this to make sure we're all good there. Testimonials, I'll also send the information. Again, I'm still waiting for some, but no worries. I'll just send you what you got, and then we can do another update once I get everything we need. Oxford Cares tab, everything looks good here. I'm going to get you a new picture for the front of this page and rewrite these 3 pieces of text just so that it's more appropriate to oxforduniversal.com. Everything else under About Joshua's Heart and below is good to go. You don't need to touch anything here. Continuing. Under Design and Build, again, Design and Build, we're going to change that to projects across the title. And what I want here, similarly to how we had the last website, my thinking is have an interactive map over here where we have pinpoints of every property we've worked on, and then along the right side have a little column along the top where it says current projects. It's going to have our 3 or 4 current projects that we're working on, and below that past projects with the addresses of all of our past projects. And if you want, you can click on the address, and that'll, on the interactive map, send you to wherever it is that the house is. Let me know, all that information was on the old website, but I know it's kind of been lost in translation, so let me know if you need that info again so I can give you all the addresses. And yeah, that's going to be this page. I'm going to probably rewrite this and send you a little something just to put under the interactive map. I also have 3 or 4 time-lapse videos of some of our projects. That's going to go under that interactive map too. Again, that'll all be on the content, which I'm going to send in a Microsoft document to you when I send you this video. That's it for the design and build. From there, it gets pretty easy. GB initiatives, I'm changing this to going green just to make it more direct so that people know it's how we're going green. Going to replace this blue rectangle with a pretty picture that I've got. And then about green building initiatives, we're pretty much good from here on down. Everything else looks good. Leave all these videos, leave all the YouTube, leave all that good stuff. Continuing to contact. Contacts page looks good. No properties here. Only thing, if you could switch Oxford Universal and Grove Properties so that Oxford Universal comes first. And then continuing down. On this tab also, Oxford Universal, you can have so that Oxford Universal is the first title, address, and phone number that goes along the top, and then Grove Properties right under it. besides that, that's pretty much everything. Again, I'll have it all on a Microsoft document so you have all the text and all the pictures, everything you need for that, so you can make these adjustments. And I think we should be good to go. Feel free to give me a call if need be. I'm sure we will be communicating. But yeah, thank you, Richie.